How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's looking at SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics. I covered this one a lot, guys, and I love this one, and I know my viewers do too, because you guys are crazy amount of watchers in this one. Alright, guys, so before we get into it, I want to say I did make a Discord, link will be in the description and the About section on the channel homepage. A great day for this one, had 61 million shares, just 7 more than the average 10-day volume. It's definitely not one to underestimate. Hit a high of the day at 1504. We'll take a look at the 5-day chart in a second. I believe this candle was supposed, or excuse me, this line was supposed to be 1504. So we'll go ahead and make that the yellow dotted line to represent the high of the day. So later on in the future, we'll see what the price target was. The other day was 1324, and we completely passed that. Yesterday's high was 1390, and we didn't see a dip back down to 1411. Currently sitting at 1449. VWAP is definitely on our side right there at 1430. Great sign. So if we can get a dip down there and a skyrocket up, I wouldn't be disappointed. But we are kind of forming this bull pennant, which is always nice to see. If we can break out of it at least, right here. So we'll break out of it, and from this bottom too. So it's the bull pennant for my beginner traders right now. So it's either gonna push up really fast or push down really fast as well. But look at the 20-day chart now. Yeah. So guys, once I broke that 1051 level, there was no turning back. Each candle on here is represented by 4 hours. I'll go ahead and make that the price level again. So the earnings. If you're new to this one, the earnings were the same as last quarter, negative 36 cents. Obviously isn't the best, but it didn't go down, and the 2 quarters ago was negative 41 cents. So the company is headed into the right direction, and due to COVID, you would think it would be better, but at the same time, I have to check quarter 3 results when they come in like fall. So we'll go ahead and look at the 180 date, the 1 year chart now. Yeah, that 1486. We did only get a 20-cent push up, but hey, you really can't complain. The earnings weren't the best. Look, okay, guys, this is a perfect example of the wedge play. We got the wedge. It held levels and then it dipped, but it came back down to support at 1256, and then boom, push way back up. So another pennant forming. Will it do the same, or this time will it skyrocket? I'll have to know. So ever since COVID happened way back here in March. Oh, is this 2018? Okay, no, this is 2020 February. So right here, it dipped down, and then when we got that COVID news way back in May, it skyrocketed, pushed back, and then more news, guys. So it's always good to map out your chart. I can clean this one up, but you know, we'll have to see. You guys know what I'm saying here. But take a look at the news now. Was featured in a couple articles today, but one guy's unusual options activity. So the options, if you guys are playing options as well, let me know, because I like to see what everybody's trading. Several shares of several healthcare companies are trading higher. Stocks the same after so volatile during coronavirus. You guys know the coronavirus cult, as I like to call it. The other day, Srne Therapeutics CEO appeared on CNBC, which is great. The Daily Biotech Pulse, Novavax vaccine data. So you guys hear of Novavax and NVAX about their vaccine data. So, if NVAX like, yo, SRNE, help us make some vaccines, man. This can push up. I'm not saying, you guys know NVAX. I'll take a look at it. It is like 160 a share. Unbelievable price action for a stock that was sub $10. And I'm not saying that SRNE can't pull up, but at the same time, it also can. Once it's on the coronavirus play, there's really no turning back. Alright guys, so it's SRNE. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Go over a little recap here. Good support at $14.30, $14, and $13.25. First resistance is at $14.68, and then $15.04 is the ultimate price target. And then can we get above? We'll go over the 3-year chart now. I'm jumping around a little bit here, but 3 years high, so we gotta go with a 20-year chart. Yeah, so guys, little resistance up to 27. All you gotta do is break out of this $18 level, and once you do, boom, off to the races. Then boom, why not $43 a share, and the ultimate price target up there at $75. Alright guys, like I said, SRNE, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't, questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. SRNE, thank you so much for almost 1,780 subscribers. Can we get to 1,800 by the end of the month? Honestly, I think we can. Student Trader out for now. See you guys in the next one.